Hi Derek, this is Heidi over at Taylor & Son Chevrolet. This is the 2007 Duramax diesel that you were interested in. I'm going to go around the interior and the exterior of the vehicle and just show you overall condition. I'm going to start with the front here. And again, this hasn't been detailed yet, so it is just a little dirty on the interior. Front bumper and hood look to be in really good shape. No dents, no dings. He has a bug shield on there, so that helps with rock chips. The passenger side, I'm just looking for any imperfections, little scuff there. Coming along the passenger doors, they're in excellent shape. This truck is in very nice condition. I took it in on trade from an older couple. They bought it brand new. Didn't drive it much. Obviously the miles explain that. They just weren't using it for what it's supposed to be used for, never took it into town. It was hard to park, things like that. So they ended up going with a Tahoe instead. Tailgate looks to be in pretty good shape. There is one little scratch there. Looks like something maybe rubbed down it. But it's straight. There's no dents, no folds. Rear bumper looks to be in excellent shape as well. No dents in it. Driver's side bed is also in excellent condition. This truck is extremely straight. I don't think there's one ding on it. There may be a few little scratches, but otherwise it's very, very straight. The glass does not have any chips or rock chips or cracks. I wanted to take a look in the bed. It does have a bed liner and a soft roll-up tonneau. He did have some additional wheels, snow wheels, and snow tires, so that's what's in there. The tires look to be in really good shape. Lots of tread life left. These are the factory wheels. Let's take a look on the interior. No funny smells in here. No tears in any of the seats. All the buttons are there and operating properly. It's a little dark in here, but there's no stains. Dash is in good condition. No big scuffs or scrapes out of the dash. I'm going to go over to the driver's side here. Very little wear on the seat. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of dark. There are some mats for it in the back, I noticed. But front bench seat, which is nice. It's so dark. Show you the miles. There's 52,000 miles on the truck. Dual climate control. This does have remote start. Four-wheel drive there. Wow, really dark. Put these seats down. And these seats are also in excellent condition. No tears. All right, Derek, if there's something I missed or if you have questions, please give us a call. Our number is 208-263-2138. Thanks for watching.